guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your lovely host MJ. Happy New Year if you're here for the first time. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. For my premiere gang, thank you for always premiering with me. Guys, how is your year? How is your 2023? Mine is well. We're still in the village, just enjoying the village vibes. So today guys, I want to do the remaining house tour for the parts we didn't do. So let's see how the story is going to go. Okay guys. So guys, our theme for our sitting room is the yellow, white and brown. So we start with here. This is our TV cabinet. Is that what it's called? Watu Nairobi mnaitanga hii kitu aje? Sisi huku Shago tunaita TV cabinet yetu. So over here we have our grandmother's radio. This one you're not throwing. This is a souvenir. These are just flowers. We bought them from Organized Planet. This is our Wi-Fi. Tunapenda Wi-Fi. We just have an extension over there. And then over here we have our DSTV and we have our Zuku. These are the remotes. And then we have our television over there. You know, guys, we are Luo, so you respect the brand. You respect the brand, yes. So that's our TV. We're just watching some Netflix. And these are another flower vase that we have. They're just flowers inside. That one we also bought from Organized Planet. And then when you come here, we have our sockets over there. So when someone is seated here, they can always charge their phones. And then again, our theme for the sitting room is the same with the dining. Our curtains, we bought them from Isili. They are thick curtains. The shears are the same. And then that's the window for our village. Then you just come like that. That's our door. We don't have curtains in our door because you're not able to see inside. So whenever you come to visit us, when you knock our door, we just look at you from this point. So we are able to see the person who is coming from outside. And then, so when you enter our sitting room, we have this, our gallery space. We haven't used it. We have not done anything on it. It's our gallery wall. So with time, we'll do something about it. But for now, it's just like that. So you just come in. When you walk into our sitting room, this is how our sitting room looks like. When you come in, you see our mustard chair. Guys, you know how much I love mustard. So even in our village, we have mustard chair. But then we are selling this chair. If you want it, DM me. We bought this seat from Odds and Ends. Yes, so we bought it from Odds and Ends. The cushions are from Odds and Ends. I don't know. No, these ones do not have a tag. Could have shown you. So that's how they look. And then we have this other bigger seat over here. It's brown in color. Our color is brown. So yeah, it's an L-shaped seat. It just goes like that. Like that. We have our throw blankets. And then this is the other mustard seat. So for these two seats, we are selling them because our house is quite full with them. So we want to reduce the space. And also guys, we are manifesting a carpet. For now, we still don't have a carpet. Even our stools were bought from Odds and Ends. The brown seat is also from Odds and Ends. The cushions, all of them, they are from Odds and Ends. This throw blanket, we bought it from an online store. Yeah. So we have two cushions on the brown seat because most of the time we use this seat. And it's quite wide. So we have two. So you're seeing our theme. It's brown and mustard. Yeah. So that is our sitting room over there. And then, before I forget, up here we have our light fixture. Do you remember where we got this light from? Huh? I don't remember. It's Diamond something, but I don't remember. Huh? Oh, yeah, we got our lights from Diamond Lighting. So that's how they look like. And then up there we just have our gypsum. Is it gypsum ceiling? Yeah. And then you see our curtains are they're high, they're on the ceiling, so it gives our house an illusion of being big. But anyway, the house itself is big. The lightings are just like that. They are amazing. Yeah, and we love our village. So I've just switched on the lights. It's during the day, but I just switched on the lights because of this video. So in a 3D, that's how our sitting room looks like. You tell me, how do you like it? How do you find our sitting room? Is it amazing? Is it beautiful? So that's our main door. That's our window. Our lighting is perfect because this house, we are content creators. Yeah, so that's how our house is. These are adjustable. You can move them up, you can move them down. Yeah. So guys, that's our sitting room. So let me see you on our next space. I don't know what the next space is going to be, but let's see each other there then. So guys, when you leave our living room, this is our living room space. We go into the art wall, and then you come to our corridor. We have quite a huge corridor that has our bedrooms and then our washrooms. So this is our main corridor. That's how it looks. We have a sink. On this side, it's just the wall. I don't know what we'll use the walls for, but we just see. We have not finished the house. The finishings are not complete, very, very complete. But it's okay. We're operating in it. So here in this corridor, we don't have lights yet. So bear with me if the video is not that nini. But I believe the lighting is okay. You will see. So on our corridor, we just have this sink. It's white. You know, we are Luos. We only use Dettol. So, and then we have our cabinet for storing stuff. Under it, we have our soap for washing utensils. We just keep the extras here. We have Dettol over there. We have toast for washing clothes. We have our towel for wiping surfaces. And then we have our big girl, Astonish. Huku ushago tuna thrive na Astonish kidogo. We have this for cleaning the woods, the wood surfaces. Yeah, and then we have this bathroom cleaner. We have the big girl, Mary Smart introduced us. We have multi-purpose Astonish cleaner. And then what else do we have? We have this for cleaning the surfaces, the glass windows. Yeah, so that's basically how our cabinet is. That's what we have. Guys, if you hear some noise, the constructions are still going on. There are other works that are being done outside. So that's it. And then you come here, we have our doormat. This is our bathroom. So as you can see, guys, the construction is still going on. We've not finished the showers. We don't have the taps, but we use this bathroom to shower. We just use a basin to shower. And then we have our shower gel. This is Nivea, Dove, Roberts. At this point, we use it for hanging our towels, and then that's how our walls are looking. Yeah, we are quite organized human beings in this house. And then on this other side, we have our toilet. It's just like that. This mat is similar to this one for the bathroom. We'll buy one more mat for this place. So that's how our toilet is. We have water in our village. The toilets are very active. That's air freshener. That's our toilet brush. We had this built in for the toilet brush. We have our Apic. We have our air freshener. We have our toilet paper. The extra toilet papers, we keep them in the bedroom. Yeah. If I close the doors, that's how the place is looking like. The lighting is not perfect, but it's working. It's only not good because of maybe this video, but our house is well lit, if I may say so. Yeah, so That's the tour for the bathroom and the washroom. So let's see. I don't know where we're going next. Let's see. Let's meet there. So guys, I'm gonna take you into our master bedroom, but before we start, I'm going to give you a tour for the bathroom. So this is how the entrance for the master bedroom looks like. There's a door. And then when you come here, there is a bathroom. Guys, as I told you, constructions are still going on. This bathroom was readjusted because of the shower cubicle. It was quite big. So there are finishings that are still going on here and there. As you can see, we don't even have the sockets. So we don't have light at night in this bathroom, but we use rechargeable lights. So this is how the bathroom looks like. So when you come in over there, that's the entrance. We'll put a door there. As I said, disclaimer, the house is not yet finished. We have our shower cubicle for the master bedroom. That's how it looks like. It's just glass in color. We are using it. Yeah, and then the floor is white. There are sandals over there. There's supposed to be a sink over here, so it's not yet been done. And then when you come there, we have towels over there. And then we have this tiny bathroom holder. We have the shower gels over there. We have toothbrushes. We use cleanser and all that. This is a scrub. This is another scrub. This is Neutrogena what? Acne wash. I don't know. This is for my sister. This is for my sister. Yeah. So, and then this is our body wash we use. So they just stay over there. And then we have a toilet here. And then we also have, it's the same. It's the same as the toilet for the main toilet. The structure is the same. Still again, that one too has water. We have air freshener over there. We have our toilet paper over there. We have our air freshener over there. Our toilet brush, and then we have this space to allow water just in case someone showers and the water overflows. Yeah, but most of the time we actually don't use this bathroom. We only use the items that are in it. Yes, so that's it. I'll show you bits of the master bedroom. So on our master bedroom, we have this. These are the best curtains in this house, according to me. The sitting room ones are more expensive, but the curtains that we got for this room, they are cute. Like, just look at that print. They're so beautiful. They are so amazing. And we delivered, you see? Yeah. So there's too much lighting in this bedroom. We get light from outside. And you can see we are able to see our neighbors. So the curtains are up to the ceiling. So this is the other window. The curtains are amazing. This one faces the main gate. So we are able to see the people that come in when we are sleeping. That's just how the curtains look like. The white space over there, it's the vent. So the curtains are cute. And you can see the shears. They're quite thick. And also the curtains, you're not able to see the person who is outside when it's at night. So we have that place. We are supposed to mount a TV over there. Still manifestation. Hatujapata pesa bado. And then when you come over here, we have our cabinets for storage. But now, I'll not show you what's inside because the cabinets are watu wa Nairobi wapendi organization. And then, up there, we put stuff. Like when we frequent to Shago, we just manage how we put our stuff. I think I can show you this place. So we just have our bags over here, and then these two cute pegs that we have in the village. And then on this other side, there's another cabinet. There's another space for storing stuff. And then in the middle, we have our bed, which I'm not gonna show you because it's the bed for the master bedroom. So yeah, that's how our master bedroom for Ushago looks like. Okay. Guys, now this is our room. This is how it looks like. So when you come in, you just walk in like this. you meet our cabinets. So there are cabinets over there. I'll not show you because it's a mess. It's a mess. This is our suitcase. It's just there. That's the cable for the laptop. But also we're thinking of mounting a TV here. Ignore the noise that is coming from outside because the fundis are still working. And then on this room, we have these beautiful curtains. The theme for this room was blue greenish. Yeah. So that's how the curtains are looking. They go all the way down. And then the shears for this room, it's pure color white. Yeah. So that's how it's looking. And then the girl for this room has some floral beads with pink. And then we just have this simple bed in the room. It's not that complicated, but it's very, very beautiful, very airy, and the lighting is okay. And then on top here, on top of our ceiling board, we just have this lighting. So that's how the lighting looks like when we switch on the lights, and then when they're off. But even without the lights, this room is perfectly lit. So when you come from our corridor, you go to the room. So that's the master bedroom. This is the other bedroom. Yeah, so guys, and then I forgot to show you this downer carpet. Someone asked me to show you the floor part of our dining table. That's how it's looking like. We just have that brown carpet. It's quite soft. It's nice. I don't remember where I bought it from. Yeah, and then also another thing that someone asked. Another thing that you guys asked were these jars. You wanted to know what they contain. So here we have groundnuts. Here we have biscuits. Here we have cheddar. And we finally bought eggs. So we keep eggs over there. Yeah. So I think I've answered what you didn't see in the last video. And I've updated everything. So guys, closer look of our house, the entrance, like our front side of our house. This is what we've planted. We're trying to go green, so we've just planted some flowers. You see that mabati house over there? That's the house they used to use when they were doing construction, but it's still there. So this is our entrance, like the main entrance. Ignore those shoes because we are in the village, people have to clean. So that's just our main entrance. I've told you guys, we've not finished the painting work. They're still ongoing, but you can see the views in our village, the greens. When we take photos here, tunakaa nika tuko Mombasa. Yeah, so that's just the greens that we have. I told you about this stuff. We are going to use them for fencing. Actually, they've already started using them for fencing. And then on this side, it's the kitchen. It's the way to our kitchen. We have this tank, and then we have other tanks. So for this green thing, we normally use it to fetch water when it's raining. So water goes in there. And then we use this one for our extra tanks. Yeah, so this is our kitchen door. This place has not been painted. Guys, I'm doing this so that you also see it's not perfect. It's not all rosy. So there are things that are still going. So even if you're building your house, just know that you don't have to finish everything. And then over there, we have our fundis. They're still constructing. The tank up there, we use it for the water inside the house. And then we have our banana over there. Yeah, that's it. So that's our village life. So bye-bye. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the house tour video. Hope your 2023 is going to be blessed. If you're manifesting anything, hope it comes true. And also hoping that the things that we are manifesting in this house, like our carpet, like our fridge, like the details that we have not finished, we also hope by the end of 2023, when we'll be coming back here for Christmas, we'll be done with them. And by then, I hope to give you a more updated house tour. Otherwise, guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.